Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Kitchener, British Columbia, is a small community in the Creston Valley, set between the Selkirk and Purcell mountain ranges in the southeastern corner of the province. Located just north of the United States border, it sits along the Kootenay River in a landscape shaped by water, fertile soil, and a relatively mild climate. The valley opens wide here, offering a mix of farmland, wetlands, and mountain views that define the character of the area. Long before settlers arrived, this region was part of the traditional territory of the Kootenay people. They lived in close connection with the river systems, forests, and wetlands, relying on seasonal cycles to guide hunting, fishing, and gathering. The Kootenay River, in particular, was central to life in the valley, providing both food and a natural travel route through the region. European settlement began in the late 1800s as explorers, prospectors, and farmers moved into the Kootenays. While nearby areas saw mining activity, the Creston Valley, including Kitchener, became more focused on agriculture. The fertile floodplain and long growing season made it well suited for farming, and small communities began to take shape as settlers established homesteads and worked the land. Kitchener developed as one of these rural communities, supporting local farms and serving as a stopping point along transportation routes in the valley. Its location near the river and along early roadways made it a practical place for settlement, even though it remained small compared to nearby Creston. Like many communities in the area, its growth was steady rather than rapid, shaped by the needs of agriculture and local trade. A major turning point for the region came in the early 1900s, when large-scale diking and drainage projects were carried out along the Kootenay River. These projects reduced seasonal flooding and converted large areas of wetlands into usable farmland. This transformation allowed agriculture to expand significantly and helped sustain communities like Kitchener by making more land available for crops and livestock. Throughout the 20th century, farming remained central to life in Kitchener. Crops such as grains and hay were common, along with dairy farming and fruit growing in the surrounding valley. The nearby Kootenay River has always played a dual role in the area's history. While it provided essential resources and transportation, it also brought challenges through seasonal flooding. The balance between managing the river and preserving its natural ecosystem has been an ongoing part of life in the valley. Today, nearby protected areas help maintain important habitats for wildlife, reflecting a growing awareness of conservation. Kitchener has remained a quiet and largely rural community over the years, with a landscape still dominated by open fields and farms. The surrounding mountains and valley create a setting that feels both expansive and grounded. From the fertile fields near the river to the forested slopes rising on either side, the natural environment is always close. Today, Kitchener stands as a reflection of the Creston Valley's agricultural roots and its enduring relationship with the landscape. It offers a quiet, authentic glimpse into life in one of British Columbia's most fertile valleys. Thanks for watching!